Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic everyone loves, passive income. Who wouldn't want to make money while you sleep, travel the world, or finally pursue that passion project? The truth is, there are plenty of ways to create passive income streams. But before we jump in, remember, passive income takes effort up front. So let's explore 5 powerful ideas you can start building on today. Love writing, photography, or making videos. Share your passion with the world. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or even starting a blog allow you to build an audience and earn through ads, sponsorships, or even selling your own merchandise. The key here is consistency and value. Focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Over time, you can leverage your platform for passive income. Do you have a unique perspective or expertise? Turn it into an ebook. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, allow you to self-publish and earn royalties on every sale. Focus on a specific niche and write an engaging, well-edited book. Remember, good cover art and marketing are crucial for success. Share your knowledge and skills with the world. Online course platforms like Udemy or Skillshare allow you to create pre-recorded lessons and earn per student enrollment. The best courses offer a clear learning path with valuable content. Invest in good audio-video quality and consider offering bonuses to incentivize enrollment. This is a more traditional option, but a solid one. Owning stocks in companies that pay regular dividends, a portion of their profits, can provide a passive income stream. Do your research before investing. Look for established companies with a history of paying dividends. Remember, diversification is key. Do you have a spare room or even a vacation property? Renting it out on platforms like Airbnb can generate passive income. Focus on creating a comfortable and well-maintained space. Great photos and clear descriptions on the listing are crucial to attracting guests. Building passive income takes time and effort, but the rewards can be life-changing. Remember, research each option before diving in and choose something that aligns with your skills and interests. What are your favorite passive income ideas? Share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial freedom tips.